Meanwhile, 40 of Thailand's leading CEOs have called on the government to get the COVID-19 pandemic under control, compensate the people who have been impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, as well as boosting the economy and rehabilitate the country, while rejecting the idea of a Wuhan-style lockdown, according to government spokesperson Anucha Burapachaisi. During a video conference yesterday with Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha and the Thai Chamber of Commerce to seek cooperation between the public and private sectors in finding solutions to the raging pandemic, the 40 CEO Plus group said the private sector is ready to support the government with rapid test kits, medicines, hospital beds, and intensive care units, including digital technologies and innovations to assist with home isolation programs. The group said the government's relief packages should be expanded to include businesses which have been ordered to close, including those within the supply chain, as well as solving the labor shortage. They also suggested short and midterm plans to stimulate the economy through spending, encourage investment by the private sector, create more jobs, as well as to prepare the country for the new economy. They recommended the setting up of a public-private committee and the encouragement of more beneficial activities such as new agricultural practices, quality tourism, and digital transformation to rehabilitate the country. On Sunday, Director General of the Disease Control Department, Dr. Opagan Gawingpong said a complete lockdown following the Wuhan model, in which very strict measures were imposed to control the pandemic, may be imposed in the next 2 months if the situation does not improve. Mr. Anucha Burapachaisi said the government is speeding up mass inoculations, rolling out relief measures, and reviving the tourism industry through the Phuket Sandbox and Samui Plus schemes. The Prime Minister also insisted that his plan to reopen Thailand completely for international arrivals in mid-October still stands, as pioneer projects have been implemented on Phuket, Samui, and on two other islands, with plans to expand to other areas in the near future. However, the government will consider all suggestions and will discuss those received with the cabinet and the CCSA.